they don't really
tell you.
Yeah. Instead of just give you what you want.
Yeah.
Do you put the Botox in the skin booster?
It can give you some very serious complication. The most serious one is blindness. You can go blind.
Serious?
Yeah. Hi, I'm Dr. Chin, your aesthetic doctor. So today we have a special guest here, Cik Manggis.
Hello, everybody.
So I know her since 2016. So initially she was one of my clients, and then now become friends. So today I'm very happy we can invite her to join me in this video and talk about some aesthetic treatment. Before and after you had some treatment, and what's the difference and what's benefit you, and how it bring you better skin in terms of you having a hectic work schedule and all this. Okay?
Okay.
Cik Manggis have a very, maybe this question is one to ask by a lot of people. So I let her to ask these questions.
Yes. Right now, everything is about K-pop.
Okay.
Korean here, Korean there. Even my sister watch Korean drama. I know macam aesthetic clinic, orang akan macam known dekat Korean. So bila orang dengan aesthetic clinic, they feel like they want to have Korean glass skin. Which I rasa macam, why? I tak pernah, I want that glass skin. Tapi macam, it's how to achieve that.
Okay.
Because sometimes kalau kita pergi dekat this aesthetic clinic, kita tak tahu nak buat apa. So I takut sometimes we just, oh, this is good, that is good. So macam all the treatments yang kita nak tu agak haywire lah. Macam
don't know which one to go.
Don't know which one to go to achieve that specific glass skin tu. What is the secret? Maybe dia ada secret yang doktor-doktor tak pernah macam nak share ke.
Okay.
Macam sebab I selalu tengok doktor, sorry tau. Selalu doktor ada glass skin tu. Tapi macam kenapa tak dapat glass skin tu? Doktor keep it for secret ke?
No, it's not a secret, I think. To be very honest, some people are born with good skin. You sure know. You sure met somebody, dia tak buat apa-apa pun, just normal skincare, tapi skin dia memang sangat cantik.
Yeah, betul.
I would say they are gifted.
Okay.
Those are memang they are born with a good skin. Let's talk about people who are normally oily skin, which is like me, maybe like you, sometimes you're acne one.
Yeah.
Okay. I did some study on internet what people are normally do in Korea. So the glass skin secret, I will tell you the last part, which I think when everybody heard about it, you were like, oh wow, okay. Because now it's very famous for medical tourism in Korea, especially aesthetic, right? So in this, go through this few video about all these blogger and so on, I found out that when you go to Korea clinic, they'll focus on a few things. Number one is your skin tone. Either your skin color is bright enough or any redness, that is the skin tone color. Number two, they will see your firming part. Whether your skin is saggy, your skin is not firm enough, not tight, that will be your second issue. And the third one will be your internal part, which is the hydration part, collagen part. So they will assess your skin based on these three main things, and from there they will give you all the treatment. Yeah. So when I see this few video, they will do 2 to 3 laser one time, and then after that they will do a skin booster injection in one session.
Oh.
Yeah. But their treatment will be very aggressive because you only go there one time. You want to see result one time, so they will go very aggressively. So for example, I see people that do pico laser. After that, they do yellow light laser. Then after that, they do microneedling RF for the tightening part, and then they do the injection part. The injection part, like we all here, we only inject face only, but for them they will go face and neck. And all this treatment they will go aggressive, like I say, because of this multiple treatment combination. That's why you get a good result. So that's why I always tell you, if you want to get a better result, please go with a combination treatment instead of solo. That's what the Korean people are doing.
So macam what is the treatment yang you can suggest untuk like for this combination to achieve glass skin?
If you achieve glass skin, if you want to do it in Malaysia, toning laser, then go for one reduced redness one, which is the yellow light laser or long pulse laser reduced redness. And one tightening one. Tightening you can go for ultrasound, radio frequency, or you can go for microneedling RF. And the last one is skin booster injection. So the glass skin secret is at the last part.
Skin boosting.
Skin booster.
What's in the skin booster?
So I'm sure a lot of people did the skin booster treatment, but they don't achieve the glass skin, right? So the secret is the Korean people put Botox inside the skin booster. As you know, Botox by right not supposed to use on full face.
Yeah.
Yeah. But Korean people doing that is they do it a very little amount. Every little amount on your face will make your skin tight.
But that one can dissolve kalau yang little amount tu.
Yes, not to say dissolve, but medication function will gone within like 2-3 months.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
that's why they can last for quite some time, and then they will do it again. So maybe 1 year they will do 3 times or 4 times.
I see.
So the whole year they will have achieved the so-called the glass skin effect.
Oh.
Yeah. And the most important, beside all this, of course, I would say is the weather also. Because their weather there is a bit cold and also dry. Here in Malaysia is a bit humid and also hot. So we are tend to secrete a lot of oil on the face. I'm sure when you go to overseas, you know that, oh, my skin is very good.
Very, yeah.
Yeah. So I think this is also one of the factors that why they have a better skin there. It's not because a lot of factors that can involve in this skin texture or skin problems.
One question.
Yes.
Do you put the Botox in the skin booster?
Normally I don't, unless somebody requests or somebody that really want to achieve that result. So I will tell them what I put inside. That's for sure.
Okay.
If let's say they reject it, I think it's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, it's fine.
Faham,
Yeah.
faham.
But
Yeah,
it
it's
do
up
really
to-
give that result.
I see.
Yeah, it do really give the result.
You know what to do, guys. Okay.
Okay, all right. Besides that, any
Besides that, like, okay, what about fillers?
fillers?
Lah, I tanya not for me. I
Okay,
just ask for friends.
January. Okay.
Asking for a friend. How about like fillers? You know, some aesthetic clinics ada buat fillers and all kan.
Okay.
Which, to be honest dengan doktor, macam untuk us, for especially Muslim, kita memang tak boleh buat lah. But I just want to know, do you do fillers here for
Yes,
some?
I do, but
Okay.
not very frequent.
Not very frequent.
Not very frequent, and only I do certain area like temporal, cheek,
Okay.
and chin.
Oh, nose tak ada ke?
No stutter.
Why?
I don't do.
Korea what?
Okay, the reason I don't do nose is because nose is a very high risk area to put filler.
Oh, high risk. What do
High
you mean
risk.
high risk?
High risk means it can give you some very serious complication. The most
Okay.
serious one is blindness. You can go blind.
Serious?
Yeah. So I'm not
really
sure. I'm not sure. Like very common to people who know before they do filler. But for nose and also for this laughing line, actually it's the same blood vessel running through the face.
Okay.
So that's why if you inject something near this line here, also having risk of getting blindness.
Oh, wow.
So that's the reason why after I tell this kind of risk, normally my client will say, okay, then better don't do it.
I see. Maybe
Yeah.
because, I genuinely think that some places yang macam they don't really
Tell you.
tell you
Yeah.
instead of just give you what you want.
Yeah.
This is
Reason
like,
lah, reason
this
is
is, I terkejut sebenarnya.
Yeah.
Sebab I didn't know yang dia akan affect
Yes.
your-
So that's
Oh,
why
I see.
if you heard about this risk, I think you wouldn't want to do it
Of
anymore,
course.
right?
I mean,
Correct. So
Yeah.
that's why I don't do nose and I don't really do here also for this laughing line.
okay.
Yeah, unless now we have a new technique, which is we do ultrasound first before we inject. That will be more safe, but still there's a risk there lah.
So kalau nak hilangkan laugh line instead of injection, is
There are a
there
lot of
is there anything?
Yes, there are a lot
the
of things.
tightening tu lah kan?
Yeah, the tightening part, then the lifting up your cheek, and
Okay.
also the lifting up your face and make your skin tighter.
Okay.
And if let's say you have a big chunk of fat here, you can reduce the fat. Yeah, then will be look much better because genetically Asian are born with this thing. The bone here is very sunken.
Oh.
That's why a lot of people have this laughing line very strong. But this is also due to the bone structure. So of course there are people also doing all this filler, but find more experience and like for me, I seldom do so. Also, I wouldn't do it
I
here.
see.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much.
No problem.
Doctor, I mean, for putting our safety first.
Yeah, that's the most important one.
That's important. I
Yeah.
think everyone should really consult your doctor, like properly know what you want and what is the consequences. You should really ask your doctor, kan?
Yeah.
So that
So you know me,
You
I
understand.
will ask you to do things that you need only. Things that you request sometimes I don't think you need, I'll ask you not to do first. Yeah.
faham?
Yeah. So that's our priority lah.
Okay,
Mhm.
that's nice. That's scary as well.
So thank you so much, Manggis,
Thank you,
again
Doctor.
to joining me today. I hope I can maintain your look for a long time.
Yes.
And of course, the natural way. Yeah, then you can have a healthy skin, which I think everyone deserves that.
Yes. And thank you so much, Doctor, for having me. And especially to educate us and all this knowledge yang kita macam ada thought in mind kan, macam ni kenapa ni tak boleh ni apa kan.
Okay.
So thank you for that. And also, I just want to let you know that you can get a free consultation here at TrueClinic if you come here and cakap je nama Manggis. Nampak ada share, tak adalah. Just mention my name and you want a free consultation from Dr. Chin, they can give you a free consultation. So come to TrueClinic and get your skin treated and maintained.
So don't forget to follow us on our Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And TikTok.